I wasn't certain that I would be able to get here after the last couple of years. I thought this would have to go maybe on the back burner. I had a cancer diagnosis, and that's been the last couple of years, and so I thought, I don't know when I'm going to get back to this. So today, to get a new smile that I've been looking forward to for so many years, I just can't wait.
Well, Deborah, I'm excited that we're here. It's interesting to go back and look at where we came from. I mean, here your teeth are from initially, before we began any of that process. Right. So to be able to take everything, to make them fluid, to make them look like they go together, oh, I'm just so thrilled. I'm excited to cement Deborah's case today, and because they are layered zirconia crowns with good resistance retention form, I'm going to go with a self-adhesive resin cement. And so I'm going to be using Kerr's Maximally Chroma, which has a nice color change, which lets me know when it's stable and the proper time to clean it up. Takes the guesswork out of it. And now you can see the color changes already began. It's hard not to get emotional because she means so much to me as a person. And I know that her smile has been something that's held her back for years. And knowing that we can give her a smile that makes her show the way she feels inside, I'm just so thrilled. It's gonna be great. All right, after all this time, Deborah.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow. I look great.
Oh, Deborah, they look so good.
I'm anxious to have conversations with people who know me and then feel more confident with people who don't know me. Because I think teeth, they do play a part in how people perceive you and how you perceive yourself. So it's a big deal.